rides in, flyers from schools, hospitals. Makes this an incredible challenge. The daily velocity of Gaza, particularly on children, is far too high. We want this for as soon as possible. Phase transition to Israel. These are all best advice for how to do operation. It's a central goal of the training by Focus 7. We have an assessment